everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be making some paper boxes. So here they are. You can embellishment and choose the paper you want. They're sturdy boxes. They have reinforced lids here. It's really easy to do. Just follow along, and remember, you can always go back in the video and if you missed something, because there's some cutting pieces that are important to do. So this is the inside of the box. You have the lid here. I would recommend using, I don't have any right now, but I would recommend using here some, the red tape, because it is much stronger than just your regular adhesive, whether it's Tombow or anyone else. When you make boxes, use the red liner. It's the same one here and it fits perfectly. You should use a cardstock for this, heavy cardstock, because otherwise it's going to be too flimsy. It's a really nice size to put some pieces of jewelry that you'll be making. For example, a bracelet like this would fit inside nicely, or a pair of earrings. So think about having boxes in your house that you make ahead of time, so whenever you need them, you have them. It's really handy. So you will need for this just adhesive and paper. That's it. And yeah, a scoring board probably is going to help. So you will need two pieces of paper here, and I decided to use two different colors, one for the lid, one for the box. One that measures 7 by 7 inches, which is the closest is going to be 17.5 by 17.5 centimeters, and the other one is going to be 6 by 6 inches, which is about 15 by 15. Right. So now we're going to use our scoring board, and we're going to score. So let me take this. So we're going to start by using the lid. So remember, when you do scoring lines, especially if you're a beginner, you need to do your scoring lines on the nice part of the paper. If this is the part you want to see, like for example, it's the nice part, I'm going to score on top. Don't turn it around. So 1/2 inch. Let me put my paper straight. 1/2 inch. Right. And then we're going to do it at 1.5 inches, which is in centimeters, will be 1 centimeter and 3 centimeters and a half. So 1 centimeter here and a half, 1.5 inches. And we're going to do this on all 4 sides. Again, 1/2 inch. And 1.5 inches. All right. Now that this is scored, we're going to crease our folds very nicely. That's a big part of the secret. All right, all your folds. So we're going to take the scissors. I'm going to take smaller scissors for this one, for the lid. And we're going to take these 2 pieces away, and we're going to cut here as well. Let me show you. So first you're going to cut here on the line, on the fold. You're going to cut this one also here. Take away that part. Take away that part. And to make sure that it's going to close really well, we're going to cut like this a little bit on an angle. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to cut this piece here on an angle. That's really important. That's what is helping your box shut perfectly, because this is thick. So thick on thick is gonna make it hard to fold your and put in place your box really well. We're going to do that also on this part here. Cut just on an angle, not much. We're going to do the same thing here. So cut here. We're going to take this flap away. I'm going to take that one away as well. Cut this on an angle. All right. And here we're going to also, it's like taking a little shim off if you want. All right, I don't know if I cut enough here. And we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side here. I love making boxes. I don't know why I haven't made many videos on that, because I love making boxes. Please excuse me. Inside here, inside and inside, and take that piece off. Okay, I'm going to take my measurements away now that we get it. So this is what you will have, and it should look like this. I'm going to use this again, use something really sticky. So this is the inside of my box. We're going to put double-sided tape here just on these little flaps. Come on. All right. So these on the inside, we're going to turn it around, and we're going to put on the right side some double-sided here just on these 4 flaps. That's where it's important to go here right to the edge. That's more important maybe than on the others. Okay, I hope I put enough. So now we're going to put our lid together. We're going to put the flap inside. The same way here. This piece there. And this one here. All right. And now we're going to put these flaps inside. All right. That's what we call reinforced, because this is where you have wear and tear. Okay, I need to stick this one there really well. This one too. And it's very hot, it's very humid, so sometimes this impacts your double-sided tape as well. So this is your lid that is done. Again, we're going to use our score bell here, and we're going to score at 2 inches, which is 5 centimeters. It's not this one, it's this one. So 2, 2, and 2 again. Done with the scoring. Again, we're gonna make sure we creased all our folds here. Easy peasy. All right, now I'm gonna take bigger scissors, and we're gonna do some cutting again. Okay, so here, inside, inside. All right, the same here. Use the light to make sure that you're cutting just right on the score line. And we're going to do this on the 4 corners. All right, so now you should end up with something like this. Okay, so we're going to turn it right side up, and we're going to put double-sided tape here on all 4 flaps. There you go. All right, and now in. In. It's so easy. And this one is in, so you see this one is on the front, so I'm going to put this one in first. I'm going to do it this way, and then this one there. So it looks nice also from the inside. I just need to make sure that everything is really well stuck in there. All right, and then we're going to take our lid and just on top. And there you go. It's done. It's nice. It's just really sturdy. It's a heavy box. You can maybe reinforce the bottom, but I don't think so. If you really use heavy cardstock, it's going to be sturdy enough, and it's really plenty of room. I really like that. And you see it fits in just perfectly. No fiddling. It's not going to distort your box. And for my decoration, I'm just going to use these nice embellishments that were given to me. So I'm just going to glue this one because there's a butterfly. So I thought I was going to use another butterfly and a little bit of hot glue. Oh, I think I turned off my hot glue. So, okay. I would put it there as a butterfly on a flower, and that's gonna be it for my decorations. You could put a bow, but I would put the bow, of course, after doing the box. Otherwise, the people won't be able, your recipient won't be able to open the box. But look how nice. And here I've used pattern paper for the lid, but you could use pattern paper for the box only and something bold for the lid, or pattern paper for the whole box. It's so easy. So there you go. If you have any questions, please leave the comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. You need to know that I make videos in English and in French. Usually the videos in English go out first on Tuesdays, and then the French video, which is the same, goes out on Wednesdays. So Tuesday and Fridays for English, and Wednesdays and Saturdays for French. I hope it's not too annoying when you see the French video coming in. You just delete it because obviously you're not going to see it. And also share on social medias. And if you have any questions or suggestions, ideas, video ideas, please leave them in the comment below as well. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon.